Hi folks, Ed Barrera here with Air Pro Master. Let's talk about HVAC replacement and installation. When considering replacing your HVAC equipment, there are some specifics we need to understand to properly design a system that best fits your needs. 1. Performance. What are your expectations for the new system? We start with your current system's capabilities and its limitations. For instance, if you have a single-stage system and you were happy with its performance when it was operating at its optimal level, you may be satisfied with a newer version of that single-stage system. We've made substantial advancements in our industry, so you may be interested in discussing the advantages of two-stage technology or full communicating systems that will help lower your power consumption and give you an even temperature balance throughout your home. Air quality. When designing the best system for your home, it's important for us to understand if there's anyone in the home that has any health requirements. Does anyone suffer from allergies, respiratory challenges, dry skin or dry eyes? By identifying these issues, we can provide solutions to improve air quality and quality of life. We also want to examine your duct infrastructure to ensure there are no leaks. A leaky duct system allows dust, dirt, and allergens into the home. Installation. With every install, we remove and dispose all of the old equipment. We replace the disconnect and whip, which is the power box and the wiring that provides power to the home. We replace the thermostat to ensure that it is wired correctly and we have a good connection. We replace all air filters to provide clean air to the new system. Our installs are fully tested before our install crew leaves the premises, and we take the time to train and answer any of our customers' questions. When considering an HVAC replacement contractor, we know you have plenty of options out there. But if quality of work and price is important to you, please fill out our form and call us today.